In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate GST in Microsoft Excel. We'll start by opening Microsoft Excel. You can use the desktop app or the web version. Both work the same for this task. Create a new blank workbook so we have a clean slate to work with. Next, set up a simple, clear layout so your calculations stay organized. In row 1, create 4 headers across the sheet. Original price in column A, GST rate, percent, in column B, GST amount in column C, and total price in column D. This structure keeps your base values, the tax rate, the tax amount, and the final total neatly separated and easy to review. Now enter your data. In the original price column, start in cell A2 and type the base amount you want to calculate GST on. If you have multiple items, add each one on its own row under that same column. In the GST rate, a percent column, enter the tax rate as a percentage in cell B2. For example, type 10% or 0.1 cent. If the rate is the same for all items, you can fill B2 down to copy that percentage alongside each price. A quick formatting tip: make sure column B is set to percentage so Excel treats the number correctly, and set columns A, C, and D to currency for a clean, professional look. If you accidentally type 10 instead of 10%, Excel will treat it as a much larger number, so watch that detail. With your data in place, it's time to apply the formulas and let Excel do the math. Click cell C2 where the GST amount will go and type East as A2B2, then press enter. This multiplies the original price by the GST rate to give you the tax amount. Next, click cell D2 and type East as A2C2, then press enter. That adds the GST to the original price to give you the total price. To apply these formulas to the rest of your list, select C2 and D2 together and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the selection down through your rows. Excel will copy the formulas and adjust them for each line automatically. If you prefer to keep a single GST rate in one cell, you can lock it with dollar signs in your formula, like actus A2 B1, so it doesn't shift when you drag down. Finally, scan your results. If you see long decimals, you can round by adjusting the number format, or, if needed, wrap the formula with round, like equal round A2 B2. A quick spot check using mental math helps confirm everything looks right. That's it. Your sheet now calculates GST quickly, accurately, and at scale.